Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CELZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 008. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 008, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down here at the James Bond level 007. So 008, James Bond 007, those are going to be those near-term levels of support. Assuming you care about more so the big picture of things than taking a step back and looking at this all from the grand scheme of things perspective, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a just very simplistic but highly effective way of gauging the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action's at full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, staying up above 008 or 007 would be preferable, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it's looking right now, seems as though the sellers are mainly hanging out there right around 0.0105. So 0.0105 key level of resistance going into tomorrow and public enemy number one. All in all, though, as long as the price builds higher bases, then everything else is going to take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.